Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about limit. So when we put number 2 cone here, number 2 cone here, you got number 0 in here and number 0 cone here. That is about 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one, that is about negative sine of b over s. Later that we need to do first derivative of this one. This one, that is about 2s in here. So this one we have negative b over s squared. And now we can put number 2 cone here, here and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one. And we have b over 16. This is the end. Thank you for watching.